Hi friends! So today I'm here at a 3-bedroom apartment which is a mock-up apartment at MR Beachfront. So this is the Sunrise Bay at MR Beachfront, and this is the render of the building which will come up as the finished product, and it has got private beach access. Yes, now I'll show you definitely the actual apartment with the actual view. I'm here at the Sunrise Bay. This is, you can see, 26th floor building with P5 parking, of course with mezzanine floor. And this is the show apartment I'm going to enter now. You can see how beautiful the render is of the building. Amazing location, amazing view it has got. It is right next to Dubai Marina. You can see the view. So the developer of this project is Emaar. I have explained in my earlier videos, Emaar is one of the topmost developer in Dubai, and not only that, it has got a good reputation in Gulf but also across the world. It has got investors from across the world who are looking for the quality, for the timely delivery. They definitely consider Emaar as one of their first priority. Of course, it has a brand name. You can see the view, you can see the quality, you can see the finishings. So right now this is the living area. Very nice, huge, spacious. Now I'll show you the view from the outside, from the balcony. So this is the corner unit where I'm standing now, and it is a 3-bedroom apartment. You can see the yacht parking area with the helipad, complete skyline of Dubai Marina, and this is the private beach, yes, which I was talking about. Isn't it amazing? So it's your space, it's your private space. So these areas which you can see across the road, this is the retail area coming up, big shopping hub. Once it's up and running, it is a history, I would say. You are witnessing the history now. Oh my god, this is on the other end. It is Blue Waters with a giant wheel and JBR view. So you have actually amazing view from this building. You can see the full water view, and this is the Palm Jumeirah West Crescent, which you can see in the little circular shape. So it is amazing location and unending, uninterrupted view. Great location, I would say. Great place to live in, to spend your life, to spend your quality life. This is the open kitchen, which is fully equipped. You can see everything impeccable, I would say. Good number of storage spaces. When I'm considering open kitchen makes the living area as wide. Now I'm proceeding towards the rest of the portions of the apartment. So this is the powder room, and on my left this is the first bedroom. Of course, this is a sample apartment, so you will consider the same finishing and, if possible, same layout or different layout minus furnitures. I'm here at the daylight. You can see amazing bright apartment. So this is the laundry area, and on my left this is the second bedroom. Good number of storage spaces in each of the rooms. and view from each of the room is also remarkable. And on my right, this is the maid's room. Maid's room by default comes with a washroom. So this is the attached washroom for the maid's room. This is the first washroom, full washroom, not considering the powder room. So it has got a bathtub, and this washroom will be shared by the two of the rooms. Now this is the master bed. I would like to show you the view from the master bed, but before that I would see how beautiful the master bed is. You can see the walk-in closet is there, washroom and suite, and this is the view. Wow, complete uninterrupted view from the master bed. So you can observe each of the rooms have got glasses, high glasses, floor to ceilings. And this is the washroom, double sink and with standing shower. Great quality finishing, great delivery, I would say. Great piece of product. If you are definitely looking for this kind of luxurious project, premium project, you should consider Emaar Beachfront as one of the best option for your investment or for yourself to live in. Quality life, standard of life is an amazing feature over here. See, each of the rooms have the beautiful view, and of course the living area is remarkable. You can't beat this view. So with this, I am going to finish my video over here. If you want to know more about this project or about the location, about the developer, feel free to give me a call. I would be answering your calls on the given number on the screen, or else you can send me a quick WhatsApp as well. Thanks for watching this video.